Hey, welcome to this course. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know to get started with Vue.js and also all of the new and improved features with Vue version 3. You will build these 4 projects while learning from over 130 clear and organized HD video lessons. Each one supplied with captions and also the source code for each project stage. So you shouldn't have any problems if you get stuck. So who am I? My name is Chris and I am a web developer from the UK, and I built my first ever website over 20 years ago. The web has changed quite a lot during this time, but my passion for learning and also teaching others still remains. I've also used Vue.js from the early days, so I've got lots of experience both using it for my own websites and also with teaching others too. So I'm excited for this one, and I will see you in the class.